we are going to discuss about second lesson, that is ideas of development. See, before we going to teach the lesson, we have to know about per capita income. Per capita income. Annual income by divided by total population of our India. Total resources divided by total population, that is per capita income. That is also called average income. Another name, average income. See, in this I will share some PPT. See, the idea of development and progress has always been with us. First, ideas of development. First point, development may be different for different people. It's different for different people. In your textbook, for example, landless labor. What they think? Better wage, better salary. Daily he need a job. What they think? Daily he need a job and he can expect to get a better wage or better daily job. 365 days at least they want to 50 days daily job. And another, prosperous farmers. He they will think he has everything. He could expect his children settle better. They settle in abroad rather than concentrate on the fields. He get best quality of the seeds and best market for his field output. And another, industrialist. What they think? Expect better well-designed dams and electricity facilities. Check dams, larger dams. Another way, whereas the farmers of small land holdings, what they will think? Small check dams which will supply water all the people. So, see here, different people have different aspirations, right? Next point, whose development? In your textbook, they given one better example, Kudankulam project which was located in Tirunelveli of Tamil Nadu state. In our the central government of India decided to go with nuclear power plant project located in this region, where it's coastal region. Because of the tragedy which happened in Fukushima in Japan, that is why our government before we go into that example, I will show you the idea of development and progress has always been with us in our hands only. We always want to different things in life and try various methods to live a better life. Right? See, better life. And we want to have more than what we have with us, but can all the desires and aspirations come true? Here, this is what we call development. Development is nothing about the changes that make a person live his life in a better way. Everybody think like that. See here, development and development. This is what we call development. Development is nothing about the changes that make a person live his life in a better way. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different person listed in table. Already we discussed about landless laborers and prosper farmers, industrialists, and farmers of small land holdings. Landless rural laborers, more days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. Say more days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. See, prosper farmers, what they will think, there is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village and also assure high family income through higher support prices for their crops. And though hardworking and cheap laborers, they should be able to settle their children abroad. See, see one another example, farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. Farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. These people depend on nature for their survival since they keep working the whole day. They want nature to support them. A rural woman from a land owning family, what she will think? These people depend on nature for their survival. A working one, she wants to high yield from her land and she too expects hardworking and cheap laborers. And urban unemployed youth, what they will think, these youth, men though highly educated, want to be employed at least in small firms so that they can earn their livelihood. Right? Do you understand? A boy from a rich urban family, he wants to be an excellent in all his performances and earn better than what his sister can, though he is given opportunities equal to his sister. Right? A girl from a rich urban family, what she will think? She gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She would like to pursue her studies abroad, right? And Adivasi from mining fields, what they will think? He wants to move to develop regions for shelter, right? And more, person from fishing community in the coastal area, what they will think? He wants to receive decent price for the aqua food collected, fish, prawn, crab, etc. After examining the above table, we came to know that all these persons have no same motion of development. In fact, at times two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. Different people have different ideas or aspirations or development. The development of human history on a time scale, hunting, agriculture, industries, services. See, certainly there can be differences about ways of developing. See, in your textbook, one better example, Kudankulam Nuclear Power Project, which is located in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu state, right? The ongoing protest over the Kudankulam nuclear power project in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu is one such conflict. The government of India set up the nuclear power plant in this quiet coastal town of Fisher Works. So the people in the region have protested on the grounds of safety, security, and livelihood. At that time, the central government of India decided to go with nuclear power plant project located in this region where it's a coastal region because of the tragedy which happened in Takeshima in Japan. That is, Supreme Court has given green signal to start the project after major conflicts. The government of India set the nuclear power plant in this quiet coastal town of Fisher Forks. The aim is to generate nuclear power to meet the growing energy needs of the country. This is the first largest power plant project. A long struggle has ensued. Scientists, environmentalists, social activists who have been critical of the project have stood by the people. After many struggles, after many struggles, Supreme Court has given green signal to start the project. The government has responded that the plant has all the safety measures and despite protests is going ahead with the project. Next point, income and other goals. See in this picture, if you go over table 1 again, there are some things which are common in almost all the people, right? And better wages and receive decent price for their crops or other products that they produce. Like this is because material goods are not all that we need to live. Material goods, also called as money. See, for example, this could be facilities for your family, working atmosphere, or opportunity to learn. Right? Working atmosphere should be equal treatment, freedom, security, respect, and no discrimination. For example, in other case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhance your sense of security. In some cases, less salary but job securities will be must and it will be near to your house also. Another job, however, many offer high pay but no job security and also leave no time for your family. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals, right? It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, the family income increase and their dignity in the household and society increases. The people's developmental goals are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. Today I will stop here. Next I will continue in the next class. Okay?